Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a shortcut for Facebook on your MacBook's dock just like an app, since there's no official Facebook app available for MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your Safari or your preferred web browser. So I'm gonna opening Safari. Here it is. I'm gonna expand it first. And now in the address bar type www.facebook.com or you can click on this. Now press enter to visit Facebook. Once you are on Facebook, click on File in the menu bar at the top of your screen. And from the drop-down menu, select Add to Dock. And here you can also give it a name. I am keeping it as Facebook. And then click on this Add button. And that's it. Now we can access it from our dock like an app. So whenever we are clicking on this, it's gonna open Facebook on your Safari browser, just like an app. That's it. Now you have got a shortcut on your MacBook's dock that will open Facebook just like an app. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.